Hi guys, this is Ballet Tutorial episode 5. Today, I will give you a few conditioning exercises that improve your battery. What is battery? Just like this. Or like this. Battery is a classical term that's used to describe all the beaten steps in ballet. All the exercises will be improving, strengthening, and training your stamina of your inner thighs mainly. The first part, the exercise will be on the floor. So, you'll be lying down on the floor. Make sure you engage your abdominal muscles to protect your lower back. Bring the leg up to tabletop or 90 degrees and stretch your leg up to the ceiling. Keep your legs in parallel. You will open your leg nice and slowly in parallel in 3 counts and close with the accent quick one on the count 4. We will repeat this one about 8 reps. That will activate your inner thighs muscles, also stretching your inner thighs muscles. You also can do this exercise in the turn out position. Bring your legs up to the ceiling and get your legs turn out, heels together. When you open, you will keep your feet pointed. When you close, you will flex and accent in. Next one is the beating exercise. Beating, it will train your stamina of the inner thigh. Bring your legs up to tabletop. Don't forget to engage your abdominal muscles to support your lower back and reach about 45 degrees to the front. Turn on your legs, bring your heels together. We will beat with a pointed foot 4 times and flex 4 times. We will repeat it about 8 to 10 reps. And the next part will be at the bar. It's just a simple releve in fifth, mainly to warm up your ankles, your calf muscles before you get into the jumping. So we will do releve on both sides, right leg in front and left leg in front 8 times each. Make sure you push the floor and keep the connection between your legs and the floor all the time. Next one will be a releve from 5th to 2nd. These will also activate and strengthen your abductor and abductor of the legs. So, we will do plie from 5th, échappé to 2nd, then plie in 2nd, and releve cross your legs back to 5th position. Make sure you push from the floor and stabilize the body. Try not to grip the bar so much, otherwise you will not be able to feel the connection between your body and the floor. Next one will be jumping, but we still stay at the bar. We will start from 2nd position and we will jump and beat alternately, cross front and back and front. Always land in 2nd position. Next part will be jumping already. So, stand at the center. The first part, we will just warm up our legs. We start with a small jump and make sure you stabilize your body at all times. Then you can start to add the height of the jump to gain the strength of the legs. We can repeat this maybe 2 to 3 sets. Each set is about 8 to 10 reps. Then, we will do it the same in 5th position or super soul. Super soul will be more challenge because the legs are crossed and it will make it harder for you to stabilize your body without the support from the floor. After the super soul, we will do Zhong Shimon. But this Zhong Shimon will be slightly different from a normal Zhong Shimon. We will have a quickly change on the way up. That will also challenge the stability of the body. Again, try to get a good height of the jump because for battery, you really need a good height to have enough time to beat the legs in the air. That's it. These are the few exercises that you can practice by your own to make your battery better or improve your battery exercises. If you have any questions, please comment below, and don't forget to click like and share, as well as subscribe my channel for more videos in the future. For today, thank you very much, and until next time. Before you go into jumping, please make sure you are warm enough, otherwise you might get injuries. Take care and see you next time.